We are getting our first snow. Yeah. I don't know if she likes the snow. I think she does. Right now she's begging for a biscuit. The birds are still afraid of her. They're still a little leery of her. Hey, don't let them out. Trust me, you don't want in there and they don't let them out. They'll be... She spent the night in the basement. She's probably going to spend the night down there tonight. As she won't go in her doghouse. The birds are a little still afraid of her. And it is snowing out. She'll probably have another night in the basement. She cried last night. She's looking for the neighbor's dogs. They're usually in a kennel right over there. But our first snow is here. They put the food up close to the back door. The sun usually hits there, because this is the south side. It keeps everything defrosted. And they got their food and water ready in their house. Chickens really don't like snow anyway, so they usually get under those stairs and behind there. Which is smart. Mommy Cupcake is in that house. I don't know what just happened. That was a fight. Something happened. I missed it. Had to go rewatch it. Well, the birds were in her doghouse this morning, but her food's not in there. I took it out. And I put it in the basement, her bowl. Because I don't want the birds eating her dog food. But, yeah. She's crying, I don't know why. That back end is total shelter for her. That's all dry back there. And I put a piece of plastic on there and I thought maybe that rattling was scaring her. So I took it off. The birds were in here this morning in the straw. And they got it all flat. She still won't go in there. But I ordered her a dog mat and a dog house for the front porch. See if she'll do that. They'll be here at the end of the month, but she's going in the basement again tonight. We're just spending some time. I think she's just begging for a bone. She just had one. Is what she's doing right now. Well, is that it for today, Liberty? Yep, you're going up tonight because I know you're wet. Yep. You're going to the basement tonight. Yeah. I don't want you wet and outside. And these guys, they got a little plastic over that end so they could stay over there. I don't know where she's going. But that's it for today.